hair check, money check, weave check. Hello, beautiful people. Nah, why do I do that? What is that? Oh my god. Oh my god, why am I crying? I'm not supposed to be crying right now. I'm filming. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Diane, and those who are coming back, was good, was poppin', welcome back. I'm back with another video. So I'm doing a requested video on how I do my winged liner and how I put my lashes. So I'm gonna show you guys all the different types of eyeliners that I use. Different types, there's only two that I use, but we'll get into that. And then I'm also gonna show you how I put on my lashes. Anyways, let's get straight into this video. So I went ahead and did my makeup. This is the look of today. My face is beat, but I have no mascara on. I would advise you to not put any mascara on before you put your eyeliner, because it allows you to kind of like move your lashes as freely as possible, you know. And I use two types of eyeliner. I'm gonna show you guys two methods. I mean, you can always use a pencil liner for those who can do that. I can't do that because I feel like I need to literally be stretching out. It doesn't connect. But felt tip liners are actually it. They're actually it. If you have a hard time putting your eyeliner and you don't really know what to do, these right here save your lives. And this one is the Perfect Slim Super Liner by L'Oreal. And then there's this that I feel like most people have. It's the Isadora waterproof glossy liner right there. Oh my god. Anyways, so I'm gonna use this too, and I'll show you how I do that. I'm gonna try. Hopefully they literally look the same. So the first method is, and that is an easy one for a beginner, for somebody who does not really know how to put eyeliner. You can use dental floss. This right here can save your life. Okay, it can make your eyeliner, your wing, whatever, very sharp. So you're gonna get this, and we're gonna use the liquid liner. So you basically go ahead and put the liquid liner on the dental floss, just like this. Let me show you. And don't put so much to kind of like not make it super thick. And you're gonna get yourself a mirror. Oh my god, I forgot to pull out a mirror. And basically you're gonna use the dental floss to create the line. So what we're gonna do is go in, and you can kind of see how your eye is shaped, and you always have to follow that line and just do. As you see, I just created a line. I feel like this is gonna be so hard to speak and do at the same time, so I'm just gonna go ahead and put it a voiceover. And one thing I'm gonna tell you guys about eyeliner is it depends on your day. If you're having a good day, it's gonna work out. I mean, hopefully it's not like that for all of you, but personally, if I'm having a good day, my eyeliner is perfect. My eyelashes are mad. But if things are not going well, I woke up feeling, I don't know, some type of way, it doesn't work out. But I'm gonna go ahead and do a voiceover because it's gonna be so hard to speak at the same time. So I brought you guys up close so that you can see what I'm actually really doing. What you're gonna do is you're gonna get your liquid liner and then remove any excess so that you don't get a thick layer to work with. And then you're gonna start from the inside of your eye. I actually don't like drawing from all the way in. I like to start somewhere in the middle. I really want it to be more like, I want it to fade in naturally. So I would advise you to go ahead and start with like a really super thin line, and then make it like thicker and thicker depending on how big you want your eyeliner to look like. And when it comes to the line you drew, if you want to, you can always go ahead and use the tip of your of the eyeliner brush and kind of like redraw that line really careful to make it like darker. And then to extend the line, you're gonna go from somewhere in the middle so that you can make it look more triangular, as you see that I'm actually doing. And then make it join to the eye and join the other line that you had created earlier. So I'm back with tip number 2. So this is how the liner looks like. So we're gonna try to kind of make it the exact same on the other side, which is way harder. So I'm gonna use the felt tip liner, and I might use this to make a line. I'm also gonna go ahead and put in a voiceover because complication, okay? So the good thing about felt tip liners is they give you enough, like you don't get so much to work with or so little. So when you're gonna go ahead and draw in the line, you're actually not gonna get a super thick layer, which is so good. So the first thing you're gonna do is go ahead and draw that line, and you're gonna hold it in the direction to which you're gonna draw the line, as you see. And then of course, like I did before, go from somewhere in the middle, joining into the eye and making it thicker and thicker depending on how you want your eyeliner to look like. I feel like the more you practice at this, the better you get actually. And this used to not go as easy as it's going in the video when I first started, but it gets way better and better. So it's the same method, and then I'm gonna go at the beginning of the eye and then draw a super thin line, making it thicker and thicker, joining in to the end of the line. And don't forget to always look on the other side to see what you did, so that you can always make it look the exact same. I mean, it's hard, it's actually really hard to make it the exact same as eyebrows, but just keep looking on the other side to see what you did and make sure you're doing the same work. Okay, I'm done. I feel like this is the closest to being similar that I can get them. I don't think it can get better than this, otherwise I'm just gonna keep getting higher and thicker, and we don't want that mess. But I hope that helped somebody. But that's how I work it with my eyeliner. And now I'm gonna go ahead and do lashes. Oh, there's also some other type of eyeliner that you can always use if you want to do the fading, the eyeliner that kind of fades, and you can use your eyebrow pencil. Is it called an eyebrow pencil? Eyebrow brush, sorry. You can use your eyebrow brush, and mine looks like this. Wow, my eyebrow pencil looks like this. So what you do is literally go in and, like, I literally cannot see myself in there. What you do, it's kind of like the same method of creating a line, is like you can try to clean it up so that it does not have as much on it. As you see, I've actually used it for a while, don't have me. And you see it gets a bit more sharper. So what you do is you go in and kind of like bend it like that and create that line, right? And once you're done doing that, get like a smaller like brush, and then keep like, you're gonna create the line and then come in and try to join in like that. And then you get like a smaller brush and try to blend in, you know, so it can go matching with your eyeshadow, because that's like another kind of like fade in eyeliner method. Or if you want, you can always make the straight line with dental floss and then go ahead and use the eyebrow pencil, eyebrow brush, I can't speak today, the eyebrow brush, and kind of like blend it, you know. So I'm not gonna go in with mascara. I prefer to kind of have my lashes all straightened out before I put my before I put any extra lashes. So we're gonna go ahead and do this, and don't put too much. Just a little bit. I actually forgot to put mascara down there. Ooh. But yeah, so I'm gonna do that before I bring in my lashes. So when it comes to eyelashes, there are some eyelash applicators that you can buy, which makes the job way easier. But personally, I use a tweezer and my hands. Honestly, I don't know how that would work out if I have nails, because I don't have any nails, and I've been putting on lashes without nails, so that's been working out. But I'm gonna use a tweezer to literally like apply the lash on and then use my fingers. So I'm gonna show you guys that method. But we're gonna go ahead and get some lashes, and these are the lashes I have. Actually, not that deep. They're more natural, so I'm kind of like gonna go for that look right now. So this is how my eyelashes look like. They're actually quite natural. It's not that much. I would advise you to always clean your lashes. Like as soon as you take them off, clean them so that they're not bulky, like remove the excess glue, you know, that was stuck on. So I'm gonna hold them with the tweezer because that's how I'm gonna apply it. I'm just gonna hold them like this, right in the middle, and apply some lash glue. And there's like so many different types of lash glue. I got this one came with a package. It's actually great, honestly. But there's also the basic duo eyelash glue, but you can also use that. So I'm gonna hold this for a few seconds and let it dry. Also, have you guys seen the method of like putting the magnetic one? I really want to try that to kind of see how that works. Or there's also a method of putting the eyelash glue like right on the line, right down here, and then putting the lash after. I did it once, it worked, and after that it's never worked. It just gets messy. I don't know what I'd be doing, but I would definitely want to try that. Both methods. I'm not bossy, I'm a boss. I am more than my emotions. Okay, so it dried, and when it comes to not dried, I mean it's been a few seconds. So for my people with like curvy lashes, you're gonna go ahead and kind of like do this to put them down. So you got space, you know, this could get messed up just because I'm filming, I swear to God. So you're gonna hold it like this and kind of like get your little mirror, look down, and kind of like bend your lash and put it down. Oh my God, why am I crying? I'm not supposed to be crying right now. I'm filming. And you're gonna go and get your finger and like put it down. And this side too. Down under. Oh my God, I hope you guys can see because I honestly don't see what I'm filming. Please don't tell me I messed up. And let it stay. I feel like if it's good, the glue is nice, it's actually gonna like stick straight away. Ooh, don't disappoint me. Not today. Not today. Do you see the difference it makes? Okay, so when you're done, I don't know why my eyes just started watering. So when you're done, you're gonna go ahead and kind of like punch like this so it can like blend in with your lashes, the natural lashes. Bruh, stay. What are you playing with? I feel like this lash glue is actually really good, which makes them like stick real fast. But when I use this one, I kind of have to hold a bit longer and then go and change and hold and hold. But that's how you do it. I hope I didn't mess up. You know, there's being happy and it actually looks, does it look crooked? I'm getting my space back. Lastly, when you're done doing this, since we're trying to go for a natural look, you're gonna get your mascara. This is my mascara. Would you guys want to know all the product? Of course, yo. Why am I asking? I use the L'Oreal Volume Million. This is old. I mean, not old, but like I bought it this year. Not this year, like at the end of last year. But like I've had it for a while. Volume Million lashes. It's actually quite interesting. It's quite nice. It's quite nice. So you're gonna go ahead at the front and like put some more extra mascara. Just do that. You know. And done. What I'm gonna say about putting eyeliner and putting lashes, everything takes time and practice. I'm literally new at this whole eyelash game. It's been working for me, which I like. Sometimes it really doesn't work out and I gotta take it out. And y'all have seen how some of them, sometimes it's just one angle is not right. But it is what it is. I mean, that's how you start. And when it comes to eyeliner, it took me time. It took me some good ass months actually before I could like learn how to do a proper eyeliner and not completely mess up. And you kind of also get into learning your eye shape and like what works for you. So try out different things, because I've seen many people have like this little hooded area, which makes this doing that angle a bit more difficult. Like, you kind of learn what works for you, you know. But yeah, that's my method. That's how I do it. That's how it works for me. So I hope this video helped somebody out there. And thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share and tell your friend to come and watch me. Anyways, see you next week, beautiful people.